Angels, and it's here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with another project share that I did on a live this morning, November 20th, 2021. And I took the front of a card and I altered it with the aid of some people in my live chat. It helped, okay? So what we have here is bling, okay? We have bling mesh here. Then we have our trees that I cut off from another card that I have that was sent to me by Miss Margaret. And then we have some bows here that I got from Dollar Tree. And then we have the bling going throughout here. We have some for the stars, and we have some for decorating the tree. Okay, so like I always say, I love having you all here. I greatly appreciate all your lovely comments. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, and if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, or when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Again, please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now.